certified basketball Tmall. Certified basketball Tmall for Ryan and good luck, Ryan. I can try and drop a link, but I'm looking at him right now, Greg, on the front end of the site too. That not work? All right, either way, here we go. How you doing, Mike? Maybe try clearing cookies or a different like type of browser, maybe. Maybe it's like a browser issue. That is John Morant on the red. These are numbered, yeah. Red John Morant. And Rudy Gobert. So we're looking for numbered parallels here. One more. Bam. Noir. There's a De'Aaron Fox on the red. And Aaron Gordon on the red. All right, that will do it. Appreciate you, Ryan. Get those top loading, get those out to you.